Hello everyone. Welcome to the world of Signet Public School of Hadapsar. Myself, Trupti Dharnekar. Today I am here to share with you some valuable information regarding World Cancer Day. What does World Cancer Day mean? World Cancer Day is an international day marked on February 4 to raise awareness of cancer and to encourage its prevention, detection, and treatment. World Cancer Day is led by the Union for International Cancer Control to support the goals of the World Cancer Declaration written in 2008. In the world, 17 people die every minute from cancer. You may have to fight a battle more than once to win it. Cancer can be prevented. Cancer is not a death sentence, but rather it is a life sentence. It pushes one to life. Supporting the fighters, admiring the survivors, honoring the taken, and never ever giving up hope. As we know, majority of the people, including youth addicted to pan masala and many cancer causing substance. So one should avoid his foe, one's health and also for the health of environment. So we pledge not to chew pan masala and any poisonous substance which is not acceptable by the body and make the world cancer free. The most beautiful people we have known are those who have known defeat, known suffering, known struggle, known loss, and have found their way out of the depths. These persons have an appreciation, a sensitivity, and an understanding of life that fills them with the compassion, gentleness, and a deep loving concern. Beautiful people do not just happen. When you were born, where you were fed with her blood as a milk, wonderful mother's breast, where you rest when you were disturbed, who cares as your mother, wonderful wife's breast, where your child feeds with love and affection with which world survives, a wonderful breast. We should take an oath on the World Cancer Day that we should protect such wonderful breast. Why is World Cancer Day on for February 4th? The aim is to inform and encourage people on its prevention, early detection, and treatment. This initiative was taken by the Union for International Cancer Control to campaign and advocate for the targets of the World Cancer Declaration. Supporting the fighters, admiring the survivors, honoring the taken, and never ever giving up hope. Let's see 8 ways to prevent cancer. First, don't smoke, maintain a healthy weight, exercise regularly, eat a healthy diet, drink alcohol only in moderation if at all. Protect yourself from the sun. Protect yourself from infections. Get screening tests regularly. You beat cancer by how you live, why you live, and in the manner in which you live. We can reduce the risk of cancer. Consume less of saturated fats, processed meat, red meat, salt cured and smoked food, food with preservatives, of course, alcoholic beverages. Eat more of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, dark green and orange vegetables, foods rich with vitamins A, C, and E. February 4th is World Cancer Day. I light this candle in honor of all cancer survivors, fighters, and those who have lost their life to cancer. Share this to show your support.